Hello composers, Mike here. How do you time stretch audio clips or even MIDI clips in Logic Pro X? There are a couple of ways actually. Let me show you right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. Alright, so the first method to time stretch clips in Logic, which works on both audio clips and MIDI clips, is to option drag. And this works by hovering your mouse cursor to the right edge of the clip, and then you press Alt or Option on your computer keyboard. Now you get this icon. Now you can left click, hold the Option key while you drag either to the right to extend it or to the left to decrease the time of the clip. And check this, it works on MIDI clips as well. So this chord here is now a quarter bar. You can extend it to a full bar chord like so. However, this method will not work on audio from the Apple Loop browser. So if I drag in an Apple Loop here, and then I try to use the Option key and drag it out, I can see the icon, but look what happens. It will go straight back to the beginning position, because these loops are made to sync to your project tempo and timing. However, with method number 2 for time stretching, this will work for any audio clip including Apple Loops, and that is to turn on the flex mode here, the flex engine, and then turn on this here for the flex engine, and now you can see it was turned back to the original state, which is non-synced to your tempo and project timing. So you can see it is out of this bar line. Now I can use not the Option key, but actually simply hovering my mouse on the right edge of the clip and make it go back to 1 bar if I wish, or even 2 bars, or whatever you want to sync it to. Now, the great advantage with using the flex mode for stretching your audio clips is that it is non-destructive, meaning that you can always go back to the original state of the clip simply by turning off the flex mode here. Method number 3 is to automatically stretch an audio clip to the cycle or to the next bar line. And you can find this if you select this clip. I have set the cycle to be all these 8 bars here. Then you go to Edit and to Time Stretch, and here you have Time Stretch Region Length to Locators, like so, which will sound pretty crap. But you can do it if you want to. And you can also, if you turn this back and then take the flex engine, do like so. Let's say you want to stretch this clip to the next bar line. Of course, you can do it manually, but you can also do it with time stretch region length to nearest bar. Bam. And of course, if you use these features a lot, I recommend that you learn these key commands or create new custom ones yourself. Now here's my bonus tip for you, and that is to use the option and drag method for time stretching MIDI regions when you create your chord progression, because then you can shorten or lengthen each chord in your progression and rearrange them as you wish. For example, let's take this one, which is 1 bar now. You can make that into a quarter bar, drag this with the Option key to make it like so, extend it, hold down Option key. So that is there now. Then you might want to have this D chord for, let's say, 1 bar, and the G minor here. I hold down the Option key to copy here, by the way, to half a bar. Then let's take this one to quarter bar, and so on. As you can see, time stretching is awesome. Please like, share, and comment on this video to support my channel. And I will see you in the next video, my friends. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.